we're fortunate to have a commercialization team that's kind of that middle link between R&D and operations. And we really look at it as a way to allow each group to focus on what they need to be excellent at. R&D is excellent at ingredient functionality, at design. They're thinking further out on, what's coming, what are our ingredient partners doing, what is the long-term vision, how do these interact and come together. And my team has a real diverse background where some of them come out of R&D, some of them come out of operations. We understand the day-to-day on running the bakery, as well as that development cycle. And so, kind of that blended approach allows us to connect the dots a bit different and be unique partners that just look at it through a different filter of, right, it's not just about, did you make a really exciting product, but oh my gosh, how am I going to do this to scale? How are we going to do this at high speed? How is this going to survive third shift? How are we going to manage, this bakery that has no space for everything you want to do? And so we tend to spend more of our time focusing with engineering, with the bakery operations. They're worried about different KPIs, really around reducing waste and efficiencies and profitability from a different filter. And so that partnership is really valuable. And then we do our best, the bakeries get engaged with us. They have a lot of ideas. We want them to help own how to make it as successful as possible in a bakery they're going to run. But then we try to own that complexity to allow them to be as efficient as possible in the day-to-day producing product and getting it into market, because that's really what they're focused on.